A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. May I talk to you this morning? You ever notice, say, are the people them who are the closest one them to you have the hardest time to believe in you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today me I go read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 6. Then Jesus left the place there, and him and him follower them go back to Nazareth where him come from. Pan the Sabbath, him teach in the Jew them church. Whole heap of people where they hear him couldn't believe them ears. So them ask, where the man here get this in them where I teach from? Oh, he's so wise. And the miracle them where I walk, I won't get the power to do them. Who him? No care painter this. No Mary boy. And we don't know him brother them. James, Joseph, Judas, and Simon. And his sister them no live here with we. And so then did Bex and no one deal with Jesus, none at all. But Jesus said to them, say, people ever respect and big up prophet, you know. Only the people them when born and grow monks, him own a family, and who he live with, no show him that respect there. So Jesus couldn't work no miracle there. Only if he touch couple sick people and make them get better. And him couldn't believe how the people them name believe in him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.